Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2017 Ford Focus SE. Moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks. This little Ford Focus has an automatic transmission, Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, and a heated steering wheel. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. A nice sized passenger compartment, and of course, split folding 60/40 rear seats. Thanks for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2017 Ford Focus, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.